One way to really dress up a plain looking window that has a drywall return is to add molding around it, but that can be a problem if the frame's just not square.
In fact, that's the case here, Danny, where we've nailed up the head casing, which has been cut at a perfect 45 degrees, but here you see in this sample piece, which is also cut at 45 degrees, when you line them up, you end up with a big gap. So one way to solve that problem is to take the piece of casing and set it up on the bottom of the window stool and let it run long past the head casing. Then just line up the two corners and make a mark. So be right on this outer edge, and then again on this inner edge. Right
Now, see,
there.
you're keeping the same gap here as you have up
Yeah,
here.
you want the reveal to be exactly the
Okay.
same. And then all you need to do is take a sliding bevel square, like I have here, put it on there, and line up the two marks. So we have one right here and there. So we line those up.
Tell me when.
Or you can tighten it right there.
Okay.
Now we'll make the mark, and we'll go over to the miter saw and use this to set the blade and then make the cut. Okay, after cutting the miter on the top of this piece, all you need to do is set it in place and check the joint up here. Make sure it fits pretty tight. Yeah, look at that. That's great.
That's great.
Now, if you find this piece is a little too long, rather than recutting the miter, you're better off just trimming off the square end. Then all you need to do is hold it in place, maintain that reveal, and nail it off.